Hey everyone, welcome to Health and Stuff. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of intermittent fasting, the potential health benefits, and how to get started. So let's get started. Intermittent fasting is a diet that has become increasingly popular among people looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. It is a form of fasting that involves alternating periods of eating and not eating, with the goal of reducing calorie intake and encouraging the body to burn fat for energy. It can be a great way to improve one's overall health, but it is essential to understand this type of diet before starting. The most common form is known as the 16/8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours of the day and eating all of your meals within an 8-hour window. It is important to note that the 16 hours of fasting does not have to be consecutive, but rather can be broken up throughout the day. This method can be a great way to reduce calorie intake while still giving you the freedom to enjoy meals within a smaller window. Another form is alternate day fasting. This involves fasting for a full 24-hour period, followed by a normal day of eating. This type of fasting can be more difficult than other methods and is not recommended for people with health issues or who are new to fasting. Intermittent fasting does not specify which foods you should eat but rather when you should eat them. In this sense, it is not a diet but rather a dietary pattern. Intermittent fasting has been studied for its potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolic health, and a reduction in inflammation. It is important to note that the potential benefits depend on the type of fasting and the individual. Some of the benefits of intermittent fasting are as follows. Weight loss. Studies have shown that it can help decrease body fat and body weight, as well as increase lean body mass. It also appears to be more effective than traditional calorie restriction in reducing body fat and weight. Improved metabolic health. Intermittent fasting has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, decreased blood sugar levels and improved cholesterol levels. Reduced inflammation. It has been linked to a decrease in inflammation, which is associated with a variety of chronic diseases. It has also been linked to an increase in anti-inflammatory compounds, such as adiponectin, which is linked to improved cardiovascular health. This can help reduce risk factors for heart disease and diabetes. Improved brain function. Intermittent fasting has been linked to improved cognitive function, including improved memory and increased focus. It also appears to be associated with increased levels of the neurotransmitter norepinephrine. Norepinephrine is associated with improved alertness and concentration. Improved longevity. This type of diet fat has been linked to improved longevity. Animal studies suggest that it can extend lifespan, and human studies suggest that it can reduce risk factors for age-related diseases. It also has been shown to reduce stress and help with depression. However, it is important to note that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone with their day-to-day schedules. If you are looking to try out intermittent fasting, there are a few things you will need to do to get started. 1. Decide on your fasting schedule. Intermittent fasting can be done in a variety of ways, and you should choose the option that works best for you. 2. Choose the foods you will eat. During your eating window, make sure to focus on nutrient-dense whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. You will want to prioritize protein. This will keep you full longer during the fast, help build lean muscle, and lose fat. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. 3. Start slowly. If you have never fasted before, it is important to start slowly and work your way up to longer fasting periods. Begin with shorter fasts of 12 or 14 hours and work your way up. 4. Stay hydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of water during your fasting period to stay hydrated. You can also drink coffee, tea, and other calorie-free beverages. And lastly, number 5. Listen to your body. Intermittent fasting is not for everyone. Everybody is different and can have different reactions to it. If you begin to experience any negative side effects such as extreme hunger, fatigue or lightheadedness, stop and consult your doctor. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the basics of intermittent fasting. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution and it's important to do your research, as well as consult with your doctor, primary care physician before beginning any fasting protocol. With that said, I hope you're feeling inspired to give it a try and find out what works for you. Until next time, enjoy your journey to health and wellness. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. As always, if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. See you at the next one. Thanks for watching.